On this day, I did a fasted workout, so I am feeding my muscles with a protein shake. This is the protein powder that I'm using. It's not my favorite, but it gets the job done. I started with a cup and a half of water along with 1 scoop of the protein powder, and then I threw in some fresh strawberries. To that, I added a couple of tablespoons of hemp seeds, and then I added in some agave to sweeten things up a bit. Then I put the top on, gave the mix a little shake, and then blended everything together. And that was my protein shake breakfast. Somehow I deleted the footage of my lunch, but I did capture this picture. It is simply spinach, tomato, cucumber, and avocado with Italian dressing. And this is one of my favorite super simple salads. For dinner, I had this buffalo jackfruit sandwich along with some red beans and rice and collard greens. And my collard greens turned out super delicious. Secret ingredient is liquid smoke. Delicious. Finally, for dessert, I had some fresh fruit, which consisted of watermelon and red grapes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy content like this, please subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.